Hello students, in today's lecture I will describe you the electric field due to concentric sphere of equal and opposite surface charges. Here I have taken two concentric sphere, one of radius A and other is of radius B, where B is greater than A. Now the two surfaces are not connected, so the surface charge on the inner sphere is plus and plus Q, and the surface charge on the outer sphere is minus Q. We have to calculate here the electric field in three regions. First, R less than A, that is inside the inner sphere. The second is B greater than R greater than A, that is in between the two surfaces. And 3 is R greater than B, that is the outside the whole system. Now let us calculate the electric field here for the first case first. I will use here Gauss's law, that is Gauss theorem of electrostatics. So you have as seen from my previous videos, that is the electric field due to a uniformly charge distribution for a single sphere of uniform positive charge. The electric field inside, as we go in the inside and draw a Gaussian surface here, then it will become that inside the Gaussian surface E dot ds, that is the left hand side of the Gauss theorem, will be equal to 0. Why 0? Because inside the inner sphere there will be no charge encloses inside the Gaussian surface, that is in this Gaussian surface, inside it there is no charge, zero charge. So the electric field is 0, implies that electric field inside is equal to 0. Now what is the outside? That is in between the two surfaces. So in that case 2, I have to calculate the electric field in between the two surfaces, that is in this region. Now in this region the electric field will not be 0, because if you take a Gaussian surface here, that is I will drawing this Gaussian surface as this line. Let the radius of the Gaussian surface be small r, so we have to write here closed surface integration E dot ds is equal to Q enclosed by epsilon 0. Now you can see that here Q enclosed is equal to Q by epsilon 0, because the minus charge is outside the Gaussian surface and plus charge is in the inside the Gaussian surface. So the electric field will be Q by epsilon 0 here. So we can write it as closed surface integration. Now due to spherical symmetry, in any point of the Gaussian surface, electric field is in parallel direction to the surface area vector, because on the surface the area vector is perpendicular to the surface and the electric field also radially outward, so it is perpendicular to the surface. So we can write E dot ds as E into ds by into equal to Q by epsilon 0. And as the electric field on the surface is uniform, because it has equal distance from the surface charge, so electric field will be constant all over the surface and it becomes E closed surface integration ds equal to Q by epsilon 0. And finally we get E closed surface integration ds means 4 pi r square equal to Q by epsilon 0, and therefore we can write the electric field E is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 into Q by r square. This is the electric field in region 2. In region 1 it is 0. Now in region 3, if I take a Gaussian surface, Then you can see again the total charge in Gaussian surface, that is here plus q and here minus q, that is total charge is 0, that is q enclosed is 0, therefore electric field outside is also 0. So if I draw the graph between electric field and distance from the center, then I will get these types of graph here. This is center O, this is radius A, this is B. Now I will expand it in this direction. So I have divided the whole part by 3 graphs. Now electric field in region 1, this is region 1, this is region 2 and this is region 3. We have in region 1 electric field is 0, so this will be shown by this line. In region 2 electric field also 0, this will be shown by this line. And region 3 the electric field is proportional to 1 by r square, that means it will varies as this line. So if you take a continuous curve, then the graph will look like this one. So the graph is look like this, then this, then it will vary like this and fall to this. So this is the graph showing the electric field in the region.